It's Friday, April 19th. It's officially day one of the One Moto Show. It's a little after 10 a.m. Quite a few motorcycle riders here.
They moved Julian's bike to front and center. Check that out.
Julian, they moved your bike. It's right here at the entrance.
And they moved Dada's bike front and center. How cool is that?
Yep, look at that. Happy days. I did not like where it was. Thank you guys.
Like, how happy are you that they moved?
It was tucked back in the corner where you couldn't see it. There's the other 500 right there.
Dada had his bike way in the back. Couldn't really see it. Was not super happy.
This is the other dude's RZ500. Be a very professional build. The first motorcycle, if you can call it a motorcycle, that I ever rode. They're going to be doing flat track races at another venue. My wife told me I have to video these adventure bikes because they're cool and because I want to get a Yamaha Tenere 700. That one's probably a European model.
These so cool. Cute.
You're welcome to come in.
It's neon glass filled with
Okay, so neon. Well,
Neon, xenon,
actually,
argon, and the other
neon
gone.
red is the only real neon. Everything else is a combination of argon, mercury, and then phosphates on the glass.
You can't use mercury now.
They still do in neon.
They tell you not to break them and drink them. So.
We want you to feel like you've seen it someplace, but you never have. It doesn't exist. But I also design fine jewelry.
This is a really nice low cowl
Julian Farnham, frame maker's bike.
rainmaker's bike.
This bike's for sale for $35,000. Got a bunch of handmade parts. All this stuff is handmade. It's really beautifully done. It looks like a steel frame, and it looks to me like it ground all the welds flat, so the frame is all very beautiful, nice and smooth. Fitted the shock in the upright position versus mine, which is underneath the bike part. Very nicely done.
And this guy is an absolute powerhouse on that bicycle. I mean, just that rap sheet alone, winning X Games, doing tricks like that 360. Jeremy landing backwards on that BMX bike to fakie. Jeremy has such a smooth style, doing tricks like that 360 moves too. He's also got huge tricks like that flare. Smiling big, 360. Right now we got Jeremy, 360 no-hander. Huge Superman in the wind. Taking it out.
Please don't let me down, just walk away. Take it away, Zerby.
Jimmy with
bike lane. Big bike lane.
We are on a bicycle right now, and the show is over there. My trailer is not that one, but the third black trailer over. Still there. And we're gonna go across this bridge.
Okay, I gotta go. There's a little hill. It's Mount Hood. It's just very fun.
There's the show. This is a busy area. Very scary.
Okay, Portland is massive. Like, thinking that's the city of Portland, but then maybe that is. Or that? Downtown Portland, I think.
Green light.
Watch out.
It's the courthouse over there.
Just came down from Portland City.
We started over there.
Yes, you see the
Way down that way.
bridge that we went across over there.
Oh, I see the bridge we came across.
And then we came across that bridge here. And then went through Portland. So, yeah, it's a beautiful day, about 70 degrees. Having a great time. It's Apartment City. Look how tall